Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from BDO to GCash. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to open up our GCash mobile application. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to use the option that says cash in. So in this case, just click on cash in here. And from here, you should be able to see the following options. Now in this case, just scroll down a bit until you see the option for recent partners, or if you don't see that, just click on the view all option there. Now also, if you don't see that option, go ahead and click on the option that says online banks, and from there search for BDO. Now in this case, let's go ahead and open up BDO. Now from here, under BDO, what we need to do is we need to just follow the steps that is indicated here in the cash in method or the cash in instructions for BDO. So first things first, you need to log in into the BDO personal banking mobile application, and from there, click on the send money option and click on the to another local bank, and from there choose GCash. Now fill in any necessary details, so that includes the mobile number that you're using for your GCash account here, because right now it serves as your account number. Now from there, you just need to confirm the transaction by entering the one-time PIN that you'll be receiving on your mobile phone and the BDO or the generated BDO OTP on your account. Now from there, just confirm, and from there you should be good. So also just a side note, you will be charged 25 pesos per successful transactions in BDO. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.